Welcome to my channel. My name is Nabila Milicia for those of you who don't know me. And here we have bam, Veuve Clicquot, darling. Veuve Clicquot. So I have to go put this in the fridge because I want it nice and chilled for tomorrow. It is actually kind of chilled because it's cold in here, but I'm gonna put it in the fridge. But before I do that, I've got something else. And I want you to unbox it with me. Yay! Oops. Oh my goodness! Ta-da! This right here is the surreal world of Elsa Schiaparelli. Okay? Shocking. Very much shocking, okay? I am so happy about this. I love this soft cover. I mean, there's plastic around it, so you know I can't really feel the texture, but it's like a soft, like a fabric texture. Not soft, the fabric cover. I love, love, love. Brilliant, witty, and liberated, Elsa Schiaparelli, 1890 until 1973, was a key figure in the world of mid-20th century fashion. From her first sweaters in 1927 decorated with trompe-l'oeil bow motifs to her Baroque gowns in the early 1950s, via her designs inspired by her friendship with surrealist artist, the lobster dress and shoe hat inspired by Salvador Dali, and her collaborations with Man Ray and Jean Cocteau. This striking and talented woman shaped fashion history with her vivid imagination. Her salons in the Place Vendôme were designed by Jean-Michel Frank, and her designs immortalized in sketches by Léonore Fini and Marcel Vertis. Diving into the world of Schiaparelli is a fascinating journey into the heart of Paris couture. Yes! We love that. I'm so happy. I wish I could have a good look inside this, but guys, I'm so excited. This is going to be oh, let me actually get, oh no, is it on the inside? Yeah, that is on the inside. But we're gonna get this, we're going to gift this to, well, I'm being dramatic for no reason because you guys are gonna already have seen that video by the time I put this out, most likely. Or maybe I should put it before. Well, that means I should have it out tonight. I don't know. But we're going to give this to fashion designer. I'm being dramatic again. Jayda Ellis from JL Designs, JL Couture. So let's go and wrap this up. Wrap it up then.
We gotta wrap this up though.
My bad. Have you trying to jump?
I couldn't
wrap
hear
it up
anything
then.
over there too.
Let's do this. How do I want to wrap it? Let's see. Do I want to go this way or no? I always feel like I need to map it out. We can also do it this way though, but am I wasting? Hold on, am I wasting the material if I do it this way? Because I would cut off that much, but if I do it this way, I don't know what I'm doing right now. So like if I go this way and then I cut that much off, okay, so I could do 4. 4 here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Let's see. And then the cool beans. And I like to fold the edges so that it's nice and clean. Oops. Okay. Let's hold that in place with my knee. I need to get a better tape, guys. I need an actual office tape. But for now, this will do. Yup. Oh my goodness. Oh. Is doing that? Oh, I see why. Okay. we did it! Oh my god, I'm trying to be so careful. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's pick it up. Yay! I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see her face. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Oh, yay! Okay, guys, so now that we got this, stay tuned. Stay tuned for more. I'm going to put this in the fridge, and then tomorrow we can pop this together. And I'm praying for a very great, successful view on fashion from Jayda's perspective. Basically, Jayda's fashion views. I'm excited to see what's gonna happen and how it's gonna go. And I'm about to go shower, prepare a little bit for as much as I can, and yeah, that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching this. See you in the next fashion views. Bye!